A long time ago, in an old tribe, there lived a great warrior called Pelenge. He was agile and could quickly travel around the jungle to find prey. He was physically strong enough to fight boar alone until they became exhausted. Then he would carry the boar down the mountain and share it with his tribe. The tribe was located at a key location for other tribes to access the holy land of Daidangara and Taitung. Their hunting ground was very large. Hunters often hunt muntjac, goat, sambar deer, and wild boar. In addition to sweet potatoes, taro, and pigeon peas, the rich farmland also had millet and red quinoa, making the people well-fed and well-clothed. However, the nearby tribes looked upon them with jealousy and greed. One day, several enemy tribes united to overrun the tribe's traditional area. The tribal fighters fought very hard, but eventually fell. Many people died, and others were wounded. The women and children were terrified and fled for their lives. In the end, only Pelenge was left to face the enemy by himself. Though he was very strong, he was unable to repel them. The elders of the tribe told Pelenge to lead the remaining tribesmen to a safe location. The elders solemnly patted Pelenge's shoulder and said, "You must learn the spirit of unity and cooperation from the ants. Take a step back and do not rush. Only then will it be possible to return to the village." Thank you for your encouragement, elders. I will lead our people, and we will return to the village, Pelenge said confidently. I did that. After a long period of resting and healing, Pelenge met with the tribesmen to discuss their plan. Some people made spears and others crafted bows and arrows, preparing to drive out the enemy and regain their lost homeland. In the morning, while the sky was still gray, the tribesmen, carrying spears and bows, silently returned to the village to wait in ambush. When the time came, Pelenge gave an order and rushed towards the Chumai chief at astonishing speed. Pelenge fought against the Chumai chief for several rounds. At just the right moment, Pelenge swiftly turned and skillfully lunged his spear into Chumai. The people were overjoyed. All of the rival tribes disbanded after the death of the Chumai chief and fled to their homelands. Pelenge brought all of the people back to rebuild their village. The men carried slate to build houses, while the women prepared everybody's meals. Just like ants, they all worked together and performed their duties as one tribe. In the end, the rival tribes made peace by gifting them a clay pot. During the ceremony, both tribes blew air from each end of a pig's intestines, indicating that both tribes are of one mind. They agreed never to harm each other again.